Cash App Advisor, one of the best guide for Cash App users. My name is Mashkoor Ali. Are you know that Cash App offers a glow-in-the-dark debit card? Yes, it actually glows when the lights are off. In this video, we will talk about what this special Cash App card is, how it works, and how you can get one for yourself. If you are thinking about upgrading your Cash App card to something fun and eye-catching, stay tuned. This is the video for you. The glow-in-the-dark Cash App card is not a new feature. As you can see, Cash App's official account on X shared information about this back in 2020. But still, many people don't know about it. That's why we made this video. The glow-in-the-dark Cash App card is made of a phosphorescent material. It absorbs light when it's exposed to it and then releases that light when it's dark, which makes it glow. This card looks very attractive. If you already have a Cash App card, just open your Cash App. Take a look at the photo shown here. At the bottom of this photo, you can see the Cash App card button. Click on it. As soon as you click on it, a new interface will appear on your screen. Your currently active card will be displayed here. Tap on it. Once you click, you'll see a few options appear at the bottom. From these, select Design New Card. When you tap on Design New Card, you'll see several card designs offered by Cash App. Look for the one named Glow in the Dark. When you find this card, click on it. You'll see a yellow colored card that looks like it's glowing. After you click on it, a new screen will open. If you want to make any changes, click on Personalize Card. If you want to order it as it is, click on Order Card. To order, you'll need to pay a $5 fee. After clicking Order Card, check your shipping address. If everything is correct, click Confirm. Within 7 to 10 days, your glow-in-the-dark Cash App card will be delivered to your home.